Farmall 51 here, and welcome to Ederville. As you can see behind me, we'll have a little bit of video. Going to do kind of a different video today. You've seen the international dealership before. If not, you can go back and look at past videos. We're going to go and looking through some of the buildings, and it'll be kind of dark, so I'll see if I can switch it to night mode. But we're getting ready to go up here and look at one of my favorite trucks of all. If that ain't something to see right there. Superliner, 1979 Mack RWS 786 LST. Maxidine in it. Probably one of my most favorite trucks of all. I'm partial to the R models, R600s and stuff, but it's hard to beat a nice Superliner like this one right here, and it don't get much better than this right here. Even got my favorite colors. Most of y'all know these had the V8s in them, and obviously it's got the Mack engine, Mack transmission, Mack rears in it, hence the gold bulldog on the front. But I was told if it had the gold bulldog, it'd be a purebred. So I sure love to take this one down the road. I don't know if he let me ride in it. Alright, Drew, that's all I'm going to show you. I'm not going to show you anymore, Drew. Can't waste video. At least these, you don't have to hear that pop, pop, pop sound. Alright, Drew, what's this? A little some of the old steam engines, and got the old Pool Rumley and Tri-City. A couple of those. Some of them are cooling down, I guess. They've been using them. I think they already did the parade of power, but like I say, you've seen a lot of these before, but I figured I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna see kind of highlight some things that interest me out here at Ederville. We'll just kind of go through and hit some of these. I always thought these were kind of neat. It's amazing something that big and run by gears like that, and so for the time period they were built, it'd be so complex but simple at the same time. Titan. We saw one of these in Texas, a little W12. I guess basically a industrial version of the F12. But imagine these would have been used like in a warehouse or for small light duties around the farm. But kind of neat though. It's like a little mini tractor, almost like something somebody built. But a McCormick bearing. Fuel pump down there, downdraft carburetor, governor there, but just like a F12. Neat little WK-40 size block there. McCormick Deering badge up there, 6-cylinder. Tell you that's something you left on here. You didn't take off on a whim, but I mean they did take them off, but it's not something you would want to do 2 or 3 times a week, I guess. But always some interesting designs and things they had come up with over the years. It's kind of interesting. But found your favorite tractor, Al. Know how much you like Fords. The Ginger and Texas Pete here. McCormick W9. One heck of a grill. Even though they're big tractors, they sure don't weigh as much as you would think they would weigh. Farmall 560 high crop. I was telling one gentleman earlier, I said, you wouldn't have really seen them. I imagine they might have been in the sugarcane country or maybe some other places, but I've never seen one except here. When Ford was trying to get in on the offset market. Super MTA diesel. Two of my other favorites here, little R model. I believe this is an R600. It's got the silver dog on it. It's a 685 R685 ST. I believe that's the 5-speed. It should be in it. Deutz engine over there. It's just amazing all the different companies that made hit and miss engines over the years. How many little companies made it, how many even the big companies, I guess, well, over time, you know, bought other little companies, and it's just amazing. I know these are models up here. Pretty neat. It's got a fan on it, so now it's air cooling or something, I'm not sure. It's pretty neat. Always kind of fascinated by these little hit and miss engines. And Here's a another favorite. This is a B95 Mack. Steel dash Macks they call them. Oh, Gavin sighting. There. Yeah, it's one of my other favorites. I'd like to have a B61. This here's got the Thermodyne engine in it. Oh, here we got another superliner. To put it in the perspective, these tracks come about to my shoulder, but D9G. Galleon motor grader. Dad had a 503 Galleon, which is a little bit later than this one, but this here, I'm not sure what year this is, but this thing's pretty early with the engine sitting in front like this underneath. It's kind of interesting. It does have hydraulic controls though. Actually, it's a, well, I guess it's a case there on the engine, so it's a case rear. Not sure what model this is, but pretty interesting. Well, that's it, folks. We're heading back. Seen about all we can see. Much has changed here since last year, but we've enjoyed ourselves, and like I say, we're heading back, and we will see you at the next show. Thanks for watching.